Guess who's back in the house? It's Samantha here with Samantha Race the Recipe, and I'd like to welcome you all back to another episode of Learn to Like. So today we're learning to like watermelon. Listen, hate it a lot. So I'm here every Friday, and I'm really just trying to improve my culinary aggressiveness, if you will, because basically I don't really like that many foods, so I don't even know how this happened. But we're gonna just get into it, and we're gonna start slow and work our way up and just see, if I can learn how to be the foodie that I was always meant to be. So I saw this, it's like just a take on a cucumber salad, which I love, but you're basically just adding watermelon and feta cheese, right? And so what I have here is about 6 cups of cubed watermelon, 1 cucumber, and I just sliced them into rounds, and I'm just gonna give it like a little light toss because I don't want to crush up the watermelon too much. I guess I don't even know, y'all. And I don't know why I don't like watermelon. It don't taste like nothing to me. I really don't understand why people like it so much. But okay, here's another thing. I don't really like raw onion, but I'm gonna put it in here because that's what the recipe said. So today's Learn to Like is kind of gonna be a twofer. Because watermelons, no. Raw onions, no. But we're going to see what's going on. And then there's a honey balsamic vinaigrette that I made. And I did that off camera. So basically you're taking a half a cup of balsamic vinegar and you're bringing that down to a boil and letting it reduce a bit. Putting a tablespoon of honey, stirring it up. And then that's what we're going to put on here. So I have a tablespoon of lime juice, boop, boop, boop. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And mint. I love mint, so I'm here for all of that. And then I'm just gonna toss it again one more time, right? Tossing it, and then we're gonna come in with our vinaigrette. I can't remember what it was. I was like, it's one more thing I need to put on here, but what is it? I don't know. The sauce. Okay, guys. It's good. I can't believe it. Let me just get a piece of watermelon. That mint is banging. That came out my garden, y'all. Been good. The sweet with the tangy. I can eat this. Oh, I got a little piece of onion. Also delicious. I'm growing up. I am finally developing a taste for taste. I can't believe I like this. My nephew / filmographer, he was like, I almost knocked my glasses right off my face. He was like, Annie, I don't think you're gonna like this. I was like, it might be good because I like cucumber salads. And I like mint. Not so much the onion, but I also love like vinegary things. So I felt like the dressing would really help, and it does. All of these flavors play well together. I really like it a lot, y'all. So, did I learn how to like watermelon? In this salad, I did. And I got this from a Facebook group that I'm in. I'll leave the link below to the actual recipe, because I can't even remember who the lady was, but yum. Okay, guys, so if you have not already subscribed, please be sure to do so. Make sure you like this video and share it with a friend. And like I said, we film Learn to Like every Friday, so catch us next week where we'll be learning to like liver.